Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Tess again, and welcome to another set of TOEIC listening practice tests. Short talk is the last part of TOEIC listening test. In this part, you're going to listen to a short talk and answer the three questions. For today, you will listen an introductory. Listen now to introductory and answer 86 to 88. Ladies and gentlemen, our special guest tonight is well known to many of us. I don't have to tell you that Professor Lambau is one of the most recognized experts in the field of microeconomics. After listening to Professor Lambau lecture at University of Maryland last July, I was introduced to him through a colleague and requested his presence at our conference. Although I wasn't sure he'd be able to find time to visit our small group. Professor Lambau will lecture this evening on how to manage our personal finances. It is an honor to welcome you, Professor. Well, how are you doing so far? I know that you are very excited to check your answers. Let's check now your answers, and you can see here the transcript of the talk. 86. Who is Mr. Lambau? A. A professor of economics. B. A communications director. C. A professional consultant. And D. A computer programmer. According to the speaker, Mr. Lambau or Professor Lambau is expert in the field of microeconomics. So most probably, Mr. Lambau is a professor of economics. So the answer here is letter A. And you can read that in this part that Professor Lambau is expert in the field of microeconomics. So again, the answer in number 86 is letter A. Letter B. A communications director is wrong because it is not mentioned in the short talk. Letter C. A professional consultant is also wrong. And D. A computer programmer is not related to the talk. So again, the answer at number 86 is letter A professor of economics. Now let's go to 87. How does the speaker know Mr. Lambau? A. He is a close personal friend. B. He has read several of Mr. Lambau's books. And C. He attended one of Mr. Lambau's lectures. And D. He read Mr. Lambau's newspaper columns. Well, the speaker knows about Mr. Lambau. It's because he attended one of Mr. Lambau's lectures in the University of Maryland, and a colleague introduced him to the professor. So the answer on number 87 is letter C. He attended one of Mr. Lambau's lectures. And you can find the answer in this part of the short talk. Letter A. He is a close personal friend is wrong. Letter B. He has read several of Mr. Lambau's books is also wrong. It is not mentioned in the short talk. And letter D. He reads Mr. Lambau's newspaper's columns is also wrong. Once again, the answer on number 87 is Larry C. He attended one of Mr. Lambau's lectures. 88. What does the speaker say about his group? A. It is a diverse. B. It is small. C. It is international. And D. It is growing. Well, according to the speaker, he wasn't sure if the professor will be able to find time to visit his small group. So that means his group is small. So the answer here is letter B. It is small. And you can read that in this part. Letter A, it is diverse, is wrong because it is not mentioned. Letter C, it is international, and D, it is growing, are also wrong. So again, the answer in 88 is letter B. It is small. So, how are you doing so far? Did you get all the right answers? I really hope so. Just practice always, okay, and you will enhance your listening ability. Please remember that the more practice you do, the more you enhance your listening ability as well as your vocabulary. I'll see you next time.